out to talk.
He's always got an excuse, it seems like.
Eric Orton.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm that you'll make a true and accurate translation between the court and the defendant
I swear.
and the parties here.
I swear.
Okay. And you're a certified interpreter, right?
Yes.
All right. This case been going on for a while. Your name? Okay. I'm ready to set it for trial. Does he want a jury trial or does he want a bench trial?
Your Honor, it's my understanding that my client is now suffering from pink eye and he would like an adjournment.
Listen, I want you to tell him this. We try to provide fairness here. You don't get to bring interpreters into the courthouse every time you come here. I will also remind you that I was convinced by staff that you actually can speak English, but I'm doing everything I can to accommodate you with an interpreter. This is it. We've had too many court dates. This isn't a murder trial. You were here June 25th. You were here July 9th. You were here July 23rd. And now you're here August 6th. We are either setting this case for trial today or it's being resolved today. If you have such a bad condition of pink eye, you can go out in the court, go out in the parking lot, and you can Zoom with your lawyer. I have no problem with that. If you called ahead, that's what I would have said, but I'm not going to keep adjourning this. These guys are charging a lot of money, and guess what? If there's a conviction, you're going to get to pay for it. So let's stop prolonging the case and either resolve it or go to trial, period. You got it? I asked him if he understands.
I don't feel well.
Go out in the car. Go out in the car. If then we can just set it for a jury trial or a bench trial, as the case may be. I'm not going to keep. Taxpayers are not going to pay for these people to come in here. What do we get? $160 an hour, I think we're paying these interpreters. We're not doing this. So does he want a jury or a bench? I don't want to hear any more of your excuses.
Your Honor, can we recall this matter so I can talk to the client? I didn't get out to talk.
He's always got an excuse, it seems like.
I know.
Well, you understood what I said, didn't you? You just shook your head. Hey, you just shook your head when I spoke English. You understand English. Don't play with me. I'm not a toy. Now go out and we're either setting this for bench, we're setting it for jury, the prosecutor's dismissing it, or there's going to be some other form of resolution today. Period.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I'm Lawrence, and this is Kenneth.
You got to tell me your full name.
Lawrence Dwayne Ralston.
Your name.
Kenneth Lee Ralston.
All right, so you guys are charged with taking possession over the limit of walleye. It's this pike perch. You were 16 over limit according to them. This is a misdemeanor. It is punishable by up to $100 fines, 90 days jail, costs or all those, and there would be $160 in conservation fees, $10 a fish on your case, Lawrence, and on yours, Kenneth, it would be 17 fish or $170. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
You understand
Yes,
that, sir? Did you sign, read, and understand an advice or rights form, Kenneth Ralston?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did you, Lawrence Ralston?
Yes, sir, I did.
All right. If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all the rights on that advice or rights, and we're not going to have a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that, Kenneth?
Yes, sir.
Lawrence?
Yes, sir.
All right. Each of you have the right to a lawyer. I'll be happy to provide you with one at public expense. Would you like a lawyer, Lawrence?
No, sir.
Kenneth?
No, sir.
I'm entering a not guilty plea for you. Okay, gentlemen? I'm going to give you a $100 personal bond. You don't have to post any money. I'm going to send you to the prosecutor. You can talk to her and see what she'll work out for you.
You entered a what for?
Not guilty plea.
Oh, we want to plead guilty.
No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. I'm sure you'll make out at least. You can't do worse. If you plead guilty, I'm taking the plea. If you go talk to her, maybe you can get a civil infraction or something, okay?
Yes, sir.
So go talk to her
Can we talk to her today?
right now.
Okay.
She should be in the building. I had to schedule things late. I had an appointment this morning, so they were told to be in here at 9:45 and she should be here.
Let's see.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good
Thank
day.
you, Your Honor.
We'll see you back here. Jose Javier Medina Machin, 260-240-451, and Manuel Medina Machin, 260-240-450. It's just do not ignore me. Do you understand that? And you'll meet with probation. Any questions? Good luck. Stu Vuktalaj.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. I'm sorry, Stivy Vuktalaj, 260-710-812. Good morning, counsel. Your appearance.
Good morning, Arlen. We have Mr. Stevie Vuktalaj.
Sir, your name?
Stevie Vuktalaj.
All right, so we're going to adjourn this a couple of weeks.
Yes, Judge, please, if you would.
Sure. What do you got? June 2nd, Lisa?
8:30, Judge.
June 2nd at 8:30. Okay?
That'll be great.
And we'll see you here then. All right?
See you then.
Nice to see you.
Yes.
Go down the hall and they're going to give you a paper notice. Thank you. Ralston, Kenneth Lee Ralston, 260-239-310. Lawrence Dwayne Ralston,
Here,
260-239-307. You guys, what's your name?
Lee Ralston. Lawrence Dwayne Ralston.
You ever been convicted before of anything?
Martin?
Have you ever been convicted of anything before in your life? Either
Yes,
one?
sir.
What?
Well, in my misspent youth,
Well, just tell me what you've been. How long's the last?
numerous drunk drivings,
All right. Okay. So this.
resisting arrest.
All right. So each one of you are going to plead guilty. Your name?
Also, young.
Taking too many fish. They're asking for against Kenneth 17 fish, 10. I'm sorry. Yeah, 17 fish, 10 per fish for restitution alone. So at least 170 in restitution for Kenneth. And as for Lawrence, it would be 16 fish. Do you agree to that, Lawrence?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree to that, Kenneth?
Yes, sir.
Again, this is punishable by up to 100 fines, 90 days jail. Costs are all those. I'll take it under section 771.1. If you are compliant, and I'm going to sentence you today, then you'll come back and I'll dismiss the case on motion to the prosecutor whenever I set this. Do you understand that, Mr. Lawrence Ralston?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
understand that, Mr. Kenneth Ralston?
Yes,
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights, Kenneth?
yes, sir.
Did you, Lawrence, rather?
Yes, I did.
All right. If you plead guilty, you're going to be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial of any kind. Do you understand that, Kenneth?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that, Lawrence?
Yes.
All right. To the charge, Lawrence, of taking over the limit of walleye by 16 fish. How do you plead?
Guilty.
On April 29 to 26, we're at the Elizabeth Park boat launch near Elizabeth Park or in Elizabeth Park in Trenton at 7:38 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Were you fishing and did you take 16 fish over limit?
Yes, sir.
And Kenneth, to that charge of taking possession of fish in excess of the limit, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Were you there on that same date and time, specifically April 29 and 26 at the Elizabeth Park boat launch at 7:39 p.m.?
Yes,
Were
sir.
you fishing? Were you fishing?
Yes,
Did you take 17 fish over limit?
yes, sir.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
Nope.
Plea is accepted. I find it to be an accurate plea. You're not on probation or parole right now, Lawrence, are you?
No, sir.
Are you, Kenneth?
No.
I'll accept your pleas. I'll take them under 771.1. I'm ready for sentence. Is there anything you'd like to say?
Ignorance of the law, I didn't realize the fish, if it was moved 12 inches further up the refrigerator, it would have been frozen, so it would have been, my 12 fish would have been processed. They weren't, so I was in violation of the law, and that's all I got to say. Yes.
Well, I mean, I feel bad for you in some ways. Because this is going to be kind of hefty. Anything you want to say?
No, sir.
Do you want to say anything?
No, you're right.
Were they nice to you?
They were.
Cooperative?
They were.
Seem like jovial guys.
Break on their restitution, sir. Instead of waiting to shot extraction for a fish.
All right. I'm gonna go light, but don't come back here on one of these, okay?
Right.
Just give me 1 second. I'm going to place each of you on probation for 2 months. I'll take it under section 771.1. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate any law or ordinance. You must appear in court as directed if probation tells you to. You're to pay $40 in probation fees. Each one of you are to pay a $75 victim's rights fee and a $50 justice assessment. So your probation fees plus your justice assessment and victim's rights fee are $165 total. Fines 20, costs 25. So you're going to pay $205 each of you. And then you have to pay Mr. Lawrence Ralston $160 in restitution. And you have to pay $170, Mr. Kenneth Ralston. So your total here is $365, Lawrence, and yours, Kenneth, is $375. You pay that, you stay out of trouble. I'll give you a review hearing date. Just give me 8 weeks out, Lisa. And if you're compliant, prosecutor will move to dismiss and I'll go along with it. You don't really want this on your record at the age of 40. So
At the age of 70, so we have to come back down here in 8 weeks.
where do you live?
Pardon me?
Where do you live?
70 level,
Where?
White Cloud, Michigan,
Yeah, where's that at again?
up north of the.
No, you can zoom in. You can zoom. Let them zoom.
I don't know how to do that.
You got a friend or a son or somebody up there, a daughter or wife or.
I haven't been able to. I'm halfway between Ludington and Muskegon.
Well, I don't want you guys to have to come in.
No, that's what we were hoping not to, Your Honor.
I'll tell you what, if you've done everything, Lisa, presence waived. Presence waived. I'll just look at your record. If there's a problem, you don't have to show up, okay?
Yes, sir, thank
It's
you.
not the biggest case of my handle this year. I'm not condoning it in the least, though.
No,
Can you guys pay all this today? Can you?
yeah,
Can
yes,
you
sir.
go down the hall, pay it, have probation, instruct them, and make sure that you're writing down there, Lisa, that I'm definitely waiving their presence, okay?
Okay.
And we'll just set it for a review hearing and, we'll give this to probation, make sure they've looked at the records and everything's good. So when do you want to set this? July what?
July 14th at 9 o'clock.
Okay? July 14th at 9 o'clock will be your court date, okay?
So you have to come back down.
No,
No, you didn't wait.
no, I'm gonna wait.
You don't get in any trouble when you go down there.
Right, exactly. And make sure you pay that today and you're all set and no more of this. You guys drove all the way down to,
Yes, sir. I left my house at 4:30 this morning.
no, but I mean for the fishing.
Yes,
Wow, it's that good. We're renowned at the Detroit River, right? For the walleye this time of year or a little earlier.
April's the best time of year.
Yeah. I get it. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.
Your Honor.
Thank you very much.
What began as a routine courtroom session quickly turned into a lesson about accountability, excuses, and common sense. In one case, a defendant repeatedly delayed proceedings, claiming illness and requesting yet another adjournment, only for the judge to grow visibly frustrated after months of postponements and suspected attempts to avoid moving the case forward. The judge made it clear that the courtroom would no longer tolerate delay tactics, ordering the case to finally move toward trial or resolution. Meanwhile, in a separate wildlife violation case, 2 fishermen admitted to possessing far more fish than the legal limit, a mistake they claimed came from misunderstanding the regulations. Rather than imposing harsh penalties, the court balanced accountability with fairness, ordering restitution, fines, and probation while giving both men an opportunity to keep the offense off their records if they stayed compliant. Throughout the hearing, the message remained consistent: the court is willing to be reasonable, but responsibility matters. Whether facing criminal charges or conservation violations, excuses eventually run out, and every choice carries consequences. In the end, the courtroom showed that justice is not just about punishment, it is about giving people the opportunity to learn from their mistakes before those mistakes become much more serious.